SMX is down 39.41%. I think the company is trying to raise some funding, still a low float stock. GVH, equally a low float stock, and then DGNX, and then GLTO. Those are the stocks we're going to have a look at today. This is Tuesday, the 30th of December, 2025. SMX, as I indicated earlier on, down 39.41%, intraday low $47.52. Let's see whether we can get, let's see, you can see 1.94 million low float. It's trading at a discount to its volume weighted average price. Quite a high beta as well. Volatility, you probably remember what happened to the stock, 628.23%. Okay, underlying trend severely bearish. I think we equally covered it yesterday. The news here is not saying anything about the funding that they are talking about right now. Rather, yeah, it's more about the company announcing expansion into denim and recycled denim to help fashion brands reduce excess stock and increase verified recycled content. Yeah, yesterday was down, I believe. Yes. Yeah, second straight session of losses for the stock. Yeah, not even second. There might even be more. Let's see. Friday the 19th. So you do the maths from the 22nd. It's just been printing lower prices. And the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might remain in place. This weakness might remain in place up till the 6th of January. Then after that, you know, it might have another bounce, but no guarantee that that will be the case at all. Yeah. Projections are currently saying 255.58. Okay. That's a huge one. And then 117.40, equally a huge one as well. But it has actually did all of that not long ago. It was at 173.62 not long ago. Yeah, even 213.65. Yeah, even this was still in December of this month. 333.74. Probability of it retesting 177 is statistically not up to 50%. Yeah. GVH down 21.07%. I think it's contracting the expansion of yesterday when it reached $4.9. Okay, GVH, quite severely bearish. Let's see what we have. It's been volatile of late. It's been on a distributive contraction, and lower prices are not, the bottom is not in sight. It might happen at some point, but we can't. Okay, yeah, we have it here. It says by the 20th of January. Okay, yeah. And if it bounces not to retest previous highs, yeah, if it bounces, just probably to stabilize. Okay, no news. We haven't seen any news here. There might be some news somewhere. Let's see what the projections are saying. 1.85, 0.9581, 0.480. Okay, let's just quickly see what the 4-hour chart is saying for GVH. Yeah, distributive contractions. Well, the lower prices up till tomorrow, the close of tomorrow's trading session. Then after that, it might be a consolidation, distributive contraction. You can see the peaks are expected to get to continue to decline. So It's a distributive contraction that is being extrapolated. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken, but might pick up from Friday the second pre-market session. Here on the 4-hour chart, it's a lot more ambitious. We have 3.8, 4.3, and then 4.6. Those are projections. No guarantee that they will print at all. DGNX down 23.12%, intraday low 4.8 dollars. Okay, DGNX, no extrapolation yet. Let's see, it has been printing lower prices since Christmas Eve. Yeah, let's see now. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside at all. Yeah, previous projections were saying 22.07, 26.55, 29.31. Let's see what is obtainable on its 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it's a distributive contraction as well. No bounce is expected, not no real bounce, nothing really. More of a distributive contraction. The 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to decline in such a way that it might prevent any bounce from occurring. Projections are saying 2.41 and 0.40883, and then negative 0.8283. Obviously, stocks don't trade in negatives. In other words, it's referring to something really low. Yeah, before now, as of yesterday, had 9.48, 10.82, 11.66, but the algos are no longer reiterating those projections. GLTO down 22%, intraday low 24.43. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so the stock has been contracting. So I mean, it's been consolidating with a lot of volatility. So that is what is still expected. Yeah, that's what is still expected to play out. Yeah, and it's indicating that the 40 period moving average might be a critical support. Yeah. Okay, so in the interim, further weakness is expected up till Monday the 5th, and then from then on, a bounce that may mean that it might retest this 52-week high of 34.14. But things stand right now, projections are saying 44.41, 55.35, 62.12. Underlying trend strongly bullish. Yeah. Galacto. Galacto. Momentum not expected to, okay, well, expected to just gradually pick up, especially from the middle of the month, middle of January. Let's see what we have for Galacto. No news, no fresh news. Okay, let's see what before we do that, let's see now what's been going on. The stock, yeah, okay. So this is the second straight session of contractions. after expanding for, let's see, 18th, 18 from the 18th to the 26th. Yeah, let's see the calculator. 18th to the 26th. So it's contracting that expansion. That is what's going on. 18 to, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 straight session of gains. Yeah, 6 straight session of gains. Yeah, until, yeah. So that's what it's currently contracting, and that was that took it to, let's see, let's estimate what that gain is. 26.02 up to 33. Yeah, okay, that's yeah, that's close, more than 20% gain. Yeah, maybe roughly 25% gain. Yeah, so it's contracting, giving up. It has actually given up everything, giving up everything. Okay, maybe that's why the algos think it might bounce. Let's see now on the 4-hour chart what is going on there. Yeah, okay. Here it's more of a contraction, which is expected to remain in place at least up till the 6th of January, and then from that day as well, it might attempt to resume the uptrend. Yeah, here projections are saying 24.96 momentum, not expected to pick up at all on this 4-hour chart. Underlying trend on on both charts strongly bullish. So let's see how it goes. And the question is there anything that what has been going on with the stock? What has been going on? I don't exactly know. Okay, let's see now. We might be able to find it. This began on the 18th. Let's see whether we can find any news. No news there. We have 16th. Okay, there might be something somewhere. And yeah, okay. What could validate what will warrant a bounce? What will warrant a bounce that might necessitate a retesting of the 52-week high of 34.14. That's the question there. So let's see how it goes, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.